Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This little butte is coming along just fine. Hey, if you need financing for a double wide trailer like this one right here, I can get that to you. I can get you financed if you want a double wide, or if you want this little monster, 4,600 square feet. This is an Eagle. It's coming along really good. I'll be out in Pembroke Farms tomorrow. That's Stewart's Creek subdivision. Stewart's Creek School Zone. Sorry. Homes are similar to this, 2,200 square feet to about 3,600 square feet. Out there, there's farmhouse style, there's all brick style, brick hardy, a little bit of everything. And I'll be there, from 1 to 3 tomorrow, which is Saturday. And come out and see me if you like to. I'll give you a big tour of the subdivision. John Jones Real Estate, GTT Homes. We train, we sell, we promote. Sometimes we act. Thanks.